You can clearly hear that the injector seals have gone on this one, so we're going to be changing them. But sometimes taking the injectors out can be very difficult. So in this video I'm going to show you a few methods that will help you get the injectors out much easier, and hopefully without the extra expense of any special tools. Right, so back to the engine. You can clearly see we've got a lot of carbon deposits, known as black death, which is stopping the injectors coming out. You can see they're really tight. So the first tip, put the injector pipe back on and tighten it slightly, and then use this as a lever, and sometimes you can just get a little bit of movement side to side. If it doesn't loosen using this method, then I would use plenty of WD-40 and give it a really good soak. You can see I've made almost a puddle around the injector. In some cases I have found leaving this overnight works. It really gets into the carbon and breaks it down. So fast forward 12 hours or so, and now we can just get a little bit of movement. Sometimes I find using a pry bar, but be very careful because these are plastic. Some of them are metal, but just make sure that you don't damage anything. And once you have a little bit of movement, just keep working it. Maybe leave it to one to the left for an hour or so, and then to the right, and then just keep working it, and eventually it will start to get easier and freer, as you can see. Patience is definitely required with this. You can also use the pipe as a lever too, as you can see here. Now we're getting a little bit of movement. You may only need to do this if it's not that badly seized into the cylinder head, and just keep working it and pulling upwards as well at the same time, and eventually it will slide out. Now at this moment, before you lift it out, we've still got that puddle of WD-40. We don't want that going into the cylinder head, so just get a rag and soak up the excess WD-40. And once it's out, give it a really good clean, and make sure that the clamp bolt hole is free and clean from any debris and any fluid, because this will stop the bolt going down and clamping the injector properly, causing a premature failure of the injector seal. And once it's all nice and clean, it should easily insert like so. You might now be struggling with the injector seal. Well, I've done a video for that, and you can check that out right here, and there's more injector related videos here too. And why not check out our website at howtofixit.co.uk. You can find all the parts and all the tools that we've used in these videos.